What if we told you that building a business empire doesn't require 16-hour workdays or sacrificing your sanity? What if the most powerful CEO strategies could be implemented during your morning coffee break? Today, we're revealing the exact playbook that elite executives use to scale their companies while maintaining their freedom and peace of mind. You've probably noticed something interesting about the most successful business leaders. They don't seem frazzled or overwhelmed like everyone else. They appear calm, collected, and in complete control of their destiny. The secret isn't that they work harder than you do, it's that they've mastered the art of strategic thinking in small, digestible chunks throughout their day. Think about Howard Schultz when he was building Starbucks. He didn't revolutionize the coffee industry by working around the clock in some corporate office. His breakthrough moments came during quiet reflection periods, often while experiencing coffee culture firsthand in Italian cafes. Those brief moments of strategic thinking transformed a small Seattle coffee shop into a global empire. The same principle applies to your business right now. You don't need to find extra hours in your already packed schedule. You need to transform the time you already have into strategic power sessions that compound over time. Let's start with the morning empire builder ritual. Before you check your phone or dive into emails, spend exactly 7 minutes asking yourself 3 empire building questions. What's the one decision that could eliminate 10 smaller decisions today? Which single action would have the biggest impact on our revenue this week? What obstacle is preventing our team from performing at their peak capacity? Amazon's Jeff Bezos famously made his most important decisions before 10 in the morning, when his mental energy was highest. He understood that peak decision-making hours shouldn't be wasted on reactive tasks. Your morning coffee break can become your most valuable strategic asset if you protect it from distractions. Consider Netflix CEO Reed Hastings, who reportedly does his best strategic thinking during his daily walks. He's not checking spreadsheets or attending meetings during these walks. He's processing information, connecting dots, and making the high-level decisions that shape the company's direction. You can apply this same principle during your lunch break or evening walk. The key is understanding that empire building happens in your mind before it happens in your business. Every major breakthrough starts as a thought during a quiet moment. The most successful CEOs are simply better at creating and protecting these moments throughout their day. Now let's talk about the afternoon energy audit. Around 2 or 3 p.m., when most people hit their energy slump, successful leaders conduct a quick operational scan. They ask themselves what's draining unnecessary energy from their organization. Is it inefficient processes, unclear communication, or misaligned priorities? Take Southwest Airlines founder Herb Kelleher. He built one of the most profitable airlines in history by constantly questioning operational friction. During brief moments throughout his day, he would identify small inefficiencies that, when eliminated, created massive improvements in customer experience and profitability. These weren't complex strategic planning sessions. They were quick mental audits that led to game-changing decisions. You can implement this during any natural break in your day, while your coffee is brewing, while you're walking between meetings, or during those few minutes before your next call. The goal is to identify one friction point that's costing your business time, money, or customer satisfaction. Here's where we want to pause and ask for your support. If this strategic approach is resonating with you, please hit that like button right now. It tells us you're finding value in these empire-building strategies, and it helps us reach more business owners who could benefit from this content. And while you're at it, subscribe and ring that notification bell, because we release new CEO playbook strategies every week that could transform how you think about growing your business. The evening reflection ritual is perhaps the most powerful of all. Successful leaders don't just react to their day, they extract lessons from it. Oprah Winfrey has spoken extensively about her evening gratitude practice, but what many people miss is that she also reflects on the day's business decisions and their outcomes. This isn't time-consuming analysis. It's a brief mental review that builds strategic wisdom over time. During your evening wind-down routine, ask yourself what worked today and why. What didn't work and what would you do differently? Which conversations or decisions moved the needle forward? This 5-minute reflection can prevent you from repeating costly mistakes and help you replicate successful strategies. The compound effect of these brief strategic sessions is remarkable. Consider how Ray Kroc built McDonald's into a global franchise empire. He didn't accomplish this through marathon planning sessions. He was constantly observing, questioning, and refining systems during everyday moments. A conversation with a franchisee over coffee would spark an operational improvement. A casual observation during a restaurant visit would lead to a new training protocol. The same opportunities exist in your business every single day. The difference is whether you're strategically aware enough to recognize and capture them. Most business owners are so busy working in their business that they miss the strategic insights hiding in plain sight. Let's explore the power of micro decisions that create macro results. Every successful empire was built through a series of small, seemingly insignificant choices that compounded over time. Sarah Blakely didn't build Spanx through one massive decision. She made thousands of micro decisions during brief moments throughout her day, each one slightly improving her product, marketing, or operations. You can harness this same power by training yourself to think strategically during transition moments. While you're commuting, waiting for appointments, or taking short breaks, your mind can be processing improvement opportunities. The key is shifting from passive time wasting to active strategic thinking. Think about the difference between a reactive business owner and a strategic empire builder. The reactive owner spends their day putting out fires, responding to urgent requests, and feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks. The strategic empire builder uses the same amount of time, but approaches it completely differently. They've trained themselves to think systematically about their business during natural pause points throughout the day. This strategic mindset shift doesn't require additional time investment. It requires intentional focus during time you're already spending. Your commute becomes strategy time. Your lunch break becomes an operational audit. Your evening routine becomes a wisdom-building session. The most successful CEOs understand that building an empire isn't about working more hours. It's about thinking more strategically during the hours you already have. They've mastered the art of turning routine moments into competitive advantages. We've created a comprehensive resource that shows you exactly how to identify and eliminate the friction points that are slowing down your business growth. Our free Operational Excellence Guide provides a systematic approach to optimizing your business operations so you can focus on strategic growth instead of daily firefighting. Click the link in the description to get your free copy and start implementing these empire-building strategies immediately. But here's the thing about operational excellence. It's just the foundation for building your empire. Once you've eliminated the friction and optimized your systems, you need a comprehensive blueprint for scaling your business strategically. That's exactly what we cover in our complete business transformation course. This isn't just another generic business course. It's a step-by-step system that shows small to medium-sized business owners how to set up their businesses for sustainable success. We'll show you how to run your business instead of letting your business run you. You'll learn the exact frameworks that successful CEOs use to scale their operations while maintaining their freedom and sanity. The best part? You can access the start of the course completely free, no credit card required. Just click on the next video or the link in the description to discover how this system could transform your business and your life. We're confident that once you see the strategic frameworks we teach, you'll understand why so many business owners consider this the missing piece in their entrepreneurial journey. Remember, every empire started with someone who decided to think strategically about their business. Your empire-building journey can start today during your next coffee break. Click that course link and let's build something extraordinary together. See you in the next video.